During the busy peak dining hours, splattering hot oil, burnt oil tanks urge chips served. Lestoff automatic lifting induction fryer, developed to solve these problems. Food grade 304 stainless steel structure, durable for 30,000 hours, corrosion resistant, easy to clean with a simple wipe. A timer accurate to the second, precise temperature control, achieve a golden and crispy frying result every time. Frying basket rises automatically after frying. Save labor and time. Controllable frying effect. 304 stainless steel fry basket with automatic lifting for more thorough oil drainage. Stainless steel screen plus activated carbon filter paper. Double oil filtration purifies waste oil, extending usage by 3 days. One-click discharge of waste oil into the oil tank, preventing burns from hot oil, improves safety. One-button automatic oil siphon from the tank back to the frying cylinder, achieve efficient frying. Incorporating intelligent sensing technology into frying processes enables high efficiency and deliciousness.